The माननीय सदस्यों of the Sansad have done what they wanted to.
ऐसे आरोप लगाते हुए कांग्रेस के सांसद दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
The opposition has turned its attack towards the speaker. A notice was submitted to move a no-confidence motion against Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. The motion was backed by 118 MPs and accused the speaker of bias and partisanship. It also alleged denial of speaking time and selective action against opposition MPs.
From the memoirs,
At the center of the opposition's charge is Rahul Gandhi. Opposition parties have claimed that the speaker did not allow the leader of opposition to complete his speech during the motion of thanks.
He's not yielding. He's not yielding.
However, one key detail stood out. Rahul Gandhi did not sign the no-confidence notice. Sources say the Congress felt it would be inappropriate for the leader of opposition to move a no-confidence motion against the speaker. The party cited the dignity of parliamentary democracy. Signs of discord within the opposition alliance have also become visible. The TMC chose to stay away from the motion.
instead of trying to flex muscles, we want to give an opportunity to the chair. If our issues are not addressed in 3 days, then we can always move a no confidence motion against the speaker. There's no problem. So there's no place for ambiguity or doubt.
Leader of opposition ho.
Meanwhile, Speaker Om Birla, who positions himself as a stickler for rules, chose to exercise the morality card. Deciding to stay away from the proceedings of Lok Sabha till the trust motion is pending against him. Although the rules do not require such a step, Om Birla stays adamant, indicating that even an appeal from the government or the opposition will not make him budge. It is likely that the motion to remove the speaker will be taken up on March 9th, the first day of the second part of the budget session. On that day, 50 MPs will be asked to raise their hands to support the motion. After that, the acting chair may initiate a discussion. But remember, it all started here. On Feb 5th, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla made a stunning claim inside the House. The Speaker said he had advised Prime Minister Narendra Modi to not come and reply to the motion of thanks. Why? Because he said women Congress MPs had gathered near the PM's chair and that an untoward incident could have occurred. A serious charge, one that sent shockwaves across Parliament.
सदन के नेता ने उपस्थित न रह के मेरे आग्रह को मानकर सदन को अप्रिय दृश्य से बचाया। मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को इसके लिए आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
Earlier, Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister released a video from inside the Lok Sabha. The video dated Feb 4th shows women Congress MPs protesting near the Prime Minister's seat. The images were recorded just minutes before Prime Minister Modi was scheduled to speak. Kiran Rijiju claimed that the visuals exposed a serious security threat.
They crossed the bench where Honorable Prime Minister sits and they went beyond towards the Treasury side. So the BJP women MPs have lodged a complaint. Let us see how Honorable Speaker takes action.
The Congress strongly rejected the allegation. The party said its MPs were only waving posters at the Treasury benches and called the claims exaggerated and baseless.
मैं तो यही सवाल पूछ रही हूँ ना कि उस दिन वो मौजूद नहीं थे क्या हाउस में? किरण रिजिजू जी मौजूद थे ना? उन्होंने देखा नहीं क्या? आप लोगों ने वीडियो डाले हमारे, तो क्या उन्होंने वीडियो नहीं देखे थे उस वक्त? और किस तरह से हमें बेबुनियाद हमारे ऊपर आरोप लगाए जा रहे, मनगढ़ंत कहानियां बताई जा रही है?
The opposition does not have the numbers. It simply wants to embarrass the speaker. But Speaker Om Birla is determined to make no trust motion Brahmastra backfire.
पार्लियामेंट चलने नहीं देते, नुकसान सबका हो रहा है।